there's no way I was going to go this Saturday without playing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had to. So, if you're new here, welcome to Mario Super Savings. Woohoo! We have $100 to play with today. If you're new here, hello. Those are available in my Etsy shop. You can find 3D paper clips and you can find this bundle. This bundle will save you $1,000. All you will get is just the bundle of the saving challenges. You're not gonna get an IOU. You're not gonna get an envelope. I just made this for myself. This is my little IOU that I made for myself. It is so stinking cute. And then the envelope, because I need an envelope to put the money. And then I have this paper clip here, which will later be used to put at the end of the video wherever I stop. And then if you're new here, welcome. I'm excited to have you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. You guys, yesterday I did roll for today, so if you didn't see that, I rolled a 2 for yesterday because I didn't think I was gonna make a video, but you guys, I had to. There was just no way I was not going to. So the way how I'm going to play is going to be me rolling the dice, and then every challenge should get a little surprise or a little money towards that. So yeah, this paperclip is from Budget with Liz, and then this one I made it myself, and then I added like a little decor here just to make it cute and fun. This binder was available in my shop, but it's no longer available. She is sold out. I'm not sure if I'm bringing her back, but anyways, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? I am so excited. So the first one is Yoshi Adventure. I'm going to go ahead and roll and see which one I'm going to do. Numbers 1 through 6. We're doing 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're starting out with scratching this right here, you guys. They are high numbers, so do not be surprised by the numbers you're going to get, because there are very, very high numbers, and it's 20s. So if you don't like high numbers, this may not be for you. But yeah, okay, I forgot to bring my little vacuum machine, so I'm gonna just do this, and we're adding $22. Do you see that? $22. So 21 and 2. I'm gonna put that money to the side so I know that money has been used. So I'm gonna put it here. Awesome. Next, we have each cloud. It's $10. So one cloud away. Going to go ahead and get a little Sharpie, and I'm just going to do a little dot so I know I did that one. So we're gonna put $10 towards that. Nice. Awesome. I hope I don't have an IOU. I do not like IOU, you guys. All right, the next one, you guys, oh my gosh, this one is $20. You can either do half of that or do the 20, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do, I guess, the 20, you guys. So 10. Well, no, you know what? Let me do half. Just kidding. Let me actually do half because I want to play as much as I can. So let me do half of that, which is $10. So I'm going to color the little 2, not the 0. I will color the 0 when I add the other $10. Okay. You can play however you want, you guys. This is what I love about savings. You can do what works best with you and your budget. So you can do half of that. That's amazing. If you can do full $20, that's also amazing. So there is that one. Ooh, here we go, guys. We're scratching off. Let's see. We have number 2. So it's going to be this one. Oh, here we go. We have $13. Oh my goodness. $13. Okay, that's not bad because I personally thought it was going to be higher. So not too bad. So we are adding $13 on that cutie patootie. Love it. Yoshi. By the way, this is Yoshi, the popcorn Yoshi from the movie. My kids wanted it, and you know I was in a mission, and that mission was to get it. So 10 11, 12, 13. All right, so $13 in there. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Awesome sauce. Next one that we have here is a very high one. So I'm going to do, let's see, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to do the 12 because I want to do as much as I can. So we're going to do the 12. Awesome. So we're adding $12 on that one. All right. And I'm going to do a little dot here just so I know I did that one. Awesome. All right. Search and save, you guys. Here we go. This is actually one of my favorites. I really love search and save. All right. So search and save. We're going to do number 1. Okay. So 1. Or I should say 1 like that, and 2. So we have the star, and the star is $5. So $5. Okie dokie. And we do have one more. All right, so 1 and 2. So that is $5. Okay, I already put the $5, right? Did I? I don't remember. Did I do $5? I think I did. Oh my goodness. If I didn't, then I would just add it automatically. But I hope I did, you guys. I was thinking of something else, so I didn't pay attention if I graphed it or not. Let me actually look into my video. Hold on, because I don't want to mess up. It looks like I graphed it, so hey. All right, here we go. Moving on to the last but not least. Is this cutie patootie? You guys, everything is 15. Everything here is 17. Everything here is 19. Those two are 20. And this one is a 10. And I'm going to do the smallest, which is a $10. So, $10. That one is out the way. How amazing. Yay, everyone got a little bit of love. Let's see how much I have left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, guys, $18 left. So we're going to go all the way to the front. And we're going to do this one. Let's roll and see what we do. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Number 2. 1, 2. All right, so we get to do this one here. Okay, I'm going to just do a little dot. So I know I did that one. So that one is 5 and 6. You guys, I'm a little bit scared. I don't want an IOU. Okay, moving on. Next, let's see. We have a $10 cloud. So let's see. Do we have $10? Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Oh, yes, you guys. Awesome sauce. That makes me so happy. Now we only have $2. So what that means is we have an IOU, you guys. Oh my goodness. Because this one is for $10 that we need left. So I'm going to put my little IOU slip here. All right. So we need, how much did I say? $8. So I'm going to put here $8. All right, so an IOU of $8 because we're doing half of that and the $2. So we did 10. Half of 20 is 10. We need another 10 and I only have 2. So we have an IOU of $8. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead and put the paper clip here. And yeah, this is where we are left off. Oh, my hair. I hate hairs, you guys. That's one of my big pet peeves about me is my own hair. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this money here. And that's how quick $100 goes, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm excited that I finally started. I've been wanting to start this for a while and I pulled the trigger. I will definitely condense this, you guys. I will. Because this is too thick. You know what? Let me just do it now because yeah, that's gonna hurt my little envelope. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So let's get 80. So hold on. All right, here we go. $80 in there. All right, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 8 right there. Awesome. All right, bye-bye. All right, awesome sauce. Not too bad. All right, there we go, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you want to purchase this challenge, I will have this challenge pretty much the whole entire year. So you only get the challenges, which is so fun, and then you can do your own thing. You can be creative however you want to play. And yeah, all right, guys. Yay! Happy Mario Super Savings. Woo! All right. Thank you, guys. Bye. Love ya.